Are you tired of spending hours in Excel? Do you feel like you're missing out on hidden shortcuts? Then you're in the right place. Welcome to Excel Simplified, where we make mastering Excel easy. Secret 1, Flash Fill. This amazing feature will save you hours. See how it instantly completes this entire column? This is wrong way to type serial number. Enter 1 and 2, then drag down to generate serial numbers. Secret 2, Ditch the mouse. Master these 3 keyboard shortcuts for lightning-fast navigation. Instead of right-clicking to copy and paste, use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V. Secret number 3, Conditional Formatting. Make your data pop. Highlight important values in seconds. Select the desired cells for conditional formatting, choose a data bar option, and your cells will be highlighted. So there you have it, 3 Excel secrets to supercharge your productivity. Subscribe now for more Excel tips and tricks delivered straight to your inbox.